Hello all. Today I am going to explain about the importance of preparation of UPSC Civil Services examination. You know, by preparing Civil Services examination, we are not just preparing for IAS examination or any IPS examination. By preparing Civil Services examination, we are going to get the experience. We are going to test the flavor of the life. We are going to learn how the life will be there, how the people will be there. Why? Because the civil services preparation will not be a 1 year game. The civil services preparation will not be almost 2 years game also. It takes time, it takes hard work, it takes time, it takes hard work. It demands commitment, it demands dedication, it demands consistency, commitment. So, when you are preparing for civil service, it's not only about the reading, it's also about studying the society. It's also about studying the society. It is also about understanding the society. In the process of preparing for civil services, we will get money problem, financial problem, no family support, the friends will not support. Some or the other problems we will be getting usually. We will understand the true color of the people. The relatives will be asking, this much your age is increasing, why you are not getting married? So we will be in a tension. So with that tension and with this exam tension, family tension, financial tension, why? Because I am depending on my family. Because of all these tensions, because of all these issues, we will be crooked up. So this here we will be learning about the life. This experience will teach about the life. So UPSC civil service examination is only not to get into the civil services or get into IAS. It is also about to understand the life. If you prepare for civil services, you will learn the experience, you will gain the experience, and that experience can be used for any examination or for any part of the life. It might be sports sector, it might be any business sector or anywhere. You will get that much of knowledge, you will get that much of understanding, you will become more of practicality, which is impossible. If you prepare for any examination, that is impossible. But here we will learn the life, we will know the life. Why? Because we will be struggling to clear the exam. We will be struggling to prepare for the examination. With this all struggles, if you clear the examination or if you don't clear the examination, if you clear the examination, sure that you will get into IAS exam. But if you don't get through the examination, with the preparation, the knowledge of the civil services, any examination, it might be group 1, group 2, staff selection commission, bank exam or railways, any post is minimum guaranteed. Why? Because that much knowledge we will be accruing it. So I want to tell you that preparing for civil services is not the preparation, it's about the experience, it's about learning, a continuous learning phenomenon. We will learn how to live, we will learn how to win also. Why? Because lot of hurdles, lot of things will happen when you are preparing for civil services. And for example, if you are staying in out of your place in Delhi or Hyderabad, you have to cook food, you have to bring curry packets, etc., etc. So on daily basis, you will be learning from the society, which is not possible by any other preparation. That is possible by civil services examination. Very surely I can tell you. And not only that, we will improve our commitment levels, we will improve our dedication level, we will become sincere, hardworking, disciplined. These all qualities will be developed. Why? Because these are the attitudinal development which is required to prepare for the civil services or to become the winner for the civil service. In the process, we will be learning about, we will be seeing the world, so automatically we will be becoming good human being also. You know, if you see the calculations also, 97% of the aspirants who prepare for civil services seriously, their happy life will be there after the civil services examination. Why? Because they will know the practicality, they will know the real life, what is happiness they will understand. They will become down to earth. They will enforce justice, equality, they will not feel themselves as superhuman beings, they themselves will be being down to earth. This all attitudinal development will happen when we prepare for the civil services examination. So I recommend a civil service examination not to become the IAS officer, not only IAS officer, for the sake of becoming a good human being and a good citizen also. So don't see the UPSC examination as an examination to get the job. See it is an opportunity to become a good human being. It creates experience, it gives experience. On these lines, thank you. Jai Hind.